If you're tired of the stress and anxiety that comes with reversing or parking your vehicle, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup Camera. Let's kick things off with the AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup Camera. This device caught my attention with its impressive features and a price tag of around $166.92. If you want a hassle-free installation without wires and the convenience of solar power, this is worth a serious look. Imagine being able to reverse your car with confidence, knowing you can identify everything behind you, even in low light. The camera's powerful 5000 mAh battery can last 3-4 months on a single charge, which means less hassle with frequent replacements. Plus, it boasts a strong wireless signal that reaches up to 52 feet, making it perfect for various vehicles like cars, vans, and trucks. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. The IP69K waterproof rating means you won't have to worry about rain or mud obstructing your view. You'll be able to see clearly regardless of the weather. And for those of you with kids or pets, the split-screen feature allows you to monitor multiple angles, which is a real game changer. However, some users mentioned that the initial setup was a bit tricky, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the convenience outweighs any initial frustration. If you're someone who values ease of use and safety, this camera is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you drive frequently in busy areas needing to reverse or park with confidence. Skip this one if you're looking for a feature-rich camera with more than one viewing angle. Honestly, considering the price and features, it's great value for your money. Now, if the potential setup hassle bothered you, the next option might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera Solar Magnetic. Next up is the AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera Solar Magnetic, priced at about $205.44. The magnetic installation caught my eye, allowing for a super quick setup that can be done in just 1 minute, no tools required. If you want something you can install and forget about, this is definitely worth a closer look. This camera features a 7.2-inch dual split screen that provides you with a wide, distortion-free view, eliminating blind spots completely. With a signal range of up to 524 feet, you'll have seamless connectivity while towing or maneuvering your RV or trailer. The HD 1080p and IR night vision ensure that you see everything clearly day or night, giving you peace of mind on all your adventures. Now here's why this matters for you. Imagine towing your boat or camper without the constant worry of what's behind you. The solar and battery power ensures you have energy for up to 20 hours of continuous use, making it perfect for long trips. The built-in DVR recording function is just the cherry on top, providing you with footage for any unexpected incidents. However, some users pointed out that the screen could be a bit too large for smaller vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger vehicle, the size actually enhances visibility, making it an asset rather than a drawback. This is perfect for you if you're someone who frequently tows or needs maximum visibility while backing up. Skip this one if you drive a compact car and prefer a more discreet camera. For the price, you're getting a lot of features that enhance safety. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. Product number 3, VTimes Wireless Backup Camera for Trucks. Next on the list is the VTimes Wireless Backup Camera, coming in at an attractive price of just $63.42. I was really impressed by how affordable it is while still offering a decent 7-inch HD monitor. If you need a reliable camera without breaking the bank, this one's worth your time. This camera boasts a strong wireless signal with a range of up to 984 feet, which is incredible for RVs or large trucks. The automatic night vision feature ensures that you can reverse safely in complete darkness, which can often be a nerve-wracking experience. And with its IP69K waterproof rating, you won't have to worry about weather conditions ruining your visibility. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on safety, this camera checks all the boxes. The blind spot detection feature is a real lifesaver, actively alerting you to potential hazards that might not be visible in your mirrors. However, some users did mention that the quality of the night vision could be better. While I understand that concern, I'd say for the price, the overall value is still quite impressive. It's about finding that balance between cost and functionality. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable yet affordable backup camera for your vehicle. Skip this one if you need high-end features or top-notch night vision. Honestly, for what you pay, it's a fantastic entry-level option. Now, if you're after a camera with more advanced features, the next product might just tick all the boxes. Product number 4, AutoVox W5 Wireless Backup Camera. Now let's talk about the AutoVox W5 Wireless Backup Camera, priced at around $102.72. What really grabbed my attention here was the clarity of the 4.5 monitor and its ease of installation. If you want something that just works out of the box, this is worth considering. The wireless transmission is designed to eliminate lag, ensuring that the images on your monitor are smooth and reliable. Plus, the color night vision technology means you won't be left squinting at grainy images after dark. Here's why this matters for you. Having a camera that shows clear, full-color images at night can make all the difference when you're parking in dimly lit areas. The IP69K waterproof rating ensures that the camera will withstand various weather conditions, so you won't face any visibility issues. However, some users did mention that it requires wiring for installation, which might deter some. But I'll be real with you, the installation process is straightforward and worth it for the reliability you gain. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and straightforward camera that works in different lighting conditions. Skip this one if you are looking for a fully wireless experience. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want to go all out with a dual camera setup, the next product could be exactly what you need. Product number 5, AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup 2 Cameras. Finally, we have the AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup with dual cameras, priced at about $256.81. This one really caught my eye with its 2-camera setup, allowing for comprehensive monitoring. If you want maximum visibility while reversing, this is definitely worth a closer look. With the ability to connect 2 cameras, you can monitor both the rear and front of your vehicle simultaneously, which is a huge plus for safety. The powerful wireless signal ensures you won't have any interruptions while driving. Here's why this matters for you. Having 2 cameras means you can easily check for pedestrians or obstacles in both directions, reducing your blind spots significantly. The DVR recording feature adds peace of mind by saving key footage, so you have evidence if anything happens. However, some users pointed out that the price might be a bit steep for those who only need a single camera. Here's the thing, if safety is your priority, the extra cost is worth it for the added features. This is perfect for you if you frequently drive in crowded areas or tow trailers and need that extra visibility. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and only need a basic backup camera. For the quality and features, it's a worthy investment. Now, let's compare all 5 products quickly. To recap, we've looked at 5 fantastic wireless backup cameras today. The AutoVox Solar Wireless, the AutoVox Magnetic, the V-Times, the AutoVox W5, and the AutoVox Dual Camera System. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the AutoVox Dual Camera System because of its comprehensive monitoring and safety features. On the flip side, I'd avoid the V-Times if you're looking for higher-end features, as it may not meet all your needs. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with. Stay safe out there.